his pants, I'm just going to take some lime green clay, roll that into a ball, and then blend it onto his bottom as well as possible. It's going to be about 1 inch, the body and the pants together. And now for his arms, I'm just going to roll out 2 little snakes of pink clay and blend it onto the sides of his body. Now for his legs, I'm just going to take 2 little pieces of toothpicks and stick them onto his bottom. I'm going to put some bacon bond glue on there to stick on some pink legs that I rolled out of pink clay. Just making sure that it's all nice and smooth.
A few moments later.
So now after he's all baked, I'm just going to paint all the details on him, like the flowers on his pants and his face. For his house, I'm just going to take a medium ball of brown clay arrow that's on top of his house. I made it out of toothpicks and crazy glue. I'm just going to poke a hole at the top, put bacon bond in there, and put the toothpick thing in there. And then I'm going to apply the little ring on to turn it into a charm.
1 eternity later.
For the bubble bottle, it's pretty simple. Just take a very tiny piece of green clay, roll that into the bottle shape, and then for the gray part on the top, just take a little tiny piece of gray and blend it onto the top for the cap. For the earring, I'm going to poke a hole in the back and glue a piece of wire in there, and then I'm going to bake that.
2 hours later.
To finish off the bubble bottle, I'm going to paint on the details. You can see as I'm blending to get all the colors right and painting on the little picture on there.
My hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, won't you let the light shine through.
And then for the bubble wand, it's simple. I don't know how to put it into words, but you can watch how I make that. Adding on some details like the little ridges that's on the round part of the wand.
Hey everyone! Thank you so much for watching my Patrick Charm tutorial. If you liked it, please leave this video a like. Also, if you spotted the GIF I left in the video earlier, leave in the comments when you think you saw that. Also, click on SpongeBob to subscribe, and if you want to see my previous video, click over here. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you spotted the GIF in the video, should I say GIF or GIF?
GIF. Who says gift?
People say GIF.